Okay, let's just check my pen works. Nice. This is the diagram of a rectangular based pyramid. Okay, fine. Find the length of the sloping edge AB. Here's A, here's B, that's the sloping edge. Now, I can see a right angled triangle here. I can see that that's 9 centimetres. So I'm going to put that there. I've got 9 centimetres. Got a right angle and I've got X there. Well, what's X? Okay, that's smack bang in the middle. Because in a rectangle, right, when you're like that, that's going to be the same length as that. That makes sense. So let's just do that. So my idea is, if I look firstly at this rectangle here, I've got a right angle, I've got 8.2, I've got 6.6, that's all centimetres, right? That's going to be centimetres. And let's just call that y centimetres. That's what we're trying to find. That was our AB. Okay. Right, so this length here is going to be twice x. It's going to be 2x. For argument's sake. Right? 2x. We'll just calculate it and halve it. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to use Pythagoras. So we're going to have 2x is going to equal our 6.6 squared plus our 8.2 squared and take the square root of that. Notice when we put it in the calculator, we need our brackets like that. So let's go here, and here, and let's go shift, root, and then bracket, and our 6.6 squared plus 8.2 squared, and close the bracket. That's our 2x, but we need to divide by 2 to get our x. So x equals 5.263. X equals 5.263. Notice I did it to 3D because I'm frightened of premature rounding. Now, what's y going to be? Y is our x squared plus 9 squared, and take the square root of it. So we know what x is. That's this. So let's actually square it and add the 9 squared. And then we're going to take the square root of that answer to find y. So we get 10.43, rounding to 2 decimal places. So let's therefore write 10.43. 10.43. Well done. Yay. Next question. Aha, this is kind of a working backwards one. I'll upload this and I'll start that in the next video.